friendly, but how are you? Oh my god, yung skeleton. What? What the? Bro, what? Oh, that guy. Oh no, run. I'm gonna die. So we are back. Wait. Nakalimutan ko yung damit ko. Bahala na nga. So we are back na naman. Para sa panibagong video. At panibagong kalaban. Yeah. Right. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nandito pero ano? What? Pero kumuha na tayo ng wood. Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin. Table. Oh, what the heck, dude? Oh, nice. Gumawa tayo ng 5 crafting table, ha?
Get out of here.
5 crafting table. What's wrong with me, dude? At least mayroon pa tayong dito. May wood pa tayo dito. Bakit pupunta ako dito sa nag-iisang wood? Kung mayroon lang maraming wood dun sa kapila, no? Bro. Anyways, kunin ko na lang to. Kumuha kasi ako ng 5 crafting table. Oh my god. So hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung nandito sa mod. I'm not sure, bro. Speaking English. Di pa ako sure kung ano nandito kasi what the heck? What? Okay, it's a wood. Oh my god, akala ko kung entity. Kabayo lang pala yung nandun. Lesson learned, wag tayong stick. Yes. Mayroon na tayong 5 crafting table. Oh my god. Gawa tayo ng pickaxe. Yeah. I have a pickaxe now, and let's find some stone. I see over there. Akala ko may dito. Coal or something. Stone lang yung meron pero ox na ta. Let's grab some stone. What? No. Whoa. She left me here. No, I did. Bro, I did not type that, dude. Bro, what? Bro, nah. This mode is crazy. It is crazy, bro. Binibigyan tayo ng creeps. No, bro. Nagsisimula na, bro. nagsisimula na at I'm excited, bro. I'm not scared. I'm excited. Mukhang nagsisimula na. Balik tayo dun sa ano natin. Crafting table natin. Uy, dalawang sheep. Tatlong sheep. Yes. So, may sheep na tayo. At gagawa na ako ng sword. Make a sword. Axe. Tsaka pickaxe. Pwede na tayong gumawa ng bed. Just in case. Ayan. I need more Yes, I need more wood. Where the chicken at? Yes. Yeah. We have a chicken. Pig. Honestly, hindi ako pumapatay ng pig. Sa mga nakakaalam, never mind. Bakit nga ba hindi ako pumapatay ng pig? Yeah. Paggabi na. Di naman ako na worry kapag gabi. Kasi may wool naman tayo at pwede tayo mag-craft ng bed. At matulog. But first, we have some food here. This sheep. Here. Oh no. Matutulog ba tayo kagad? Or hintayin natin kung anong mangyayari kapag gabi, diba? Maybe something na may mangyari nakakaiba or nakakatakot. Pero di naman ako natatakot eh. I'm scared. Guys, come here, boy. Oh, no. Oh, sige, lapit natin. Friendly but how are you? Oh my god, yung skeleton. Oh my god, may zombie pa. Run of applause. Just run. Hate ko siya eh. Hindi niya man ako inatake. But something crazy is happening. Oh my god, that guy is like full copper armor. What the heck? Oh my god, sobrang daming zombie. Please. Balik tayo dun sa dun tayo sa natin. Balik tayo. Dun sa may cobblestone. Please, cobblestone. Bilisan mo. Please.
Hello?
Oh my god, may baby zombie. Buti na black ako. Bro. May baby zombie dun. Buti na lang na black. Ito tayo ng furnace and wala tayong ilaw. Wala tayong coal. Wala tayong coal. Okay, let me use this. Finally. Okay, something is ilaw naman tayo at we can make some of this. Gawin natin siyang blue bed kasi blue is the best. That's right guys, I'm a blue gang. Yes. Can I sleep? Can I sleep here? Can I sleep? Oh my god, sobrang dilim. Kahit ako hindi ko makita. Okay, let me place this bed and finally there's a creeper here. Oh my god. Balikan kaya natin yung nandun, yung nakita ko kagabi. Nandito lang yun, diba? Nandito pa ba yun? Excuse me, cow. Sorry about that. Nandito pa ba siya? Oh my god. Nandito pa siya. Papatay ko pa to. Bro, it's big. Bro, akala ko yung Fireland. Okay, kill this guy. Wait, what? Bro, yung hitbox niya nasa baba. Let's use a crate on it. Oh, sorry. We're alive. We're fine. Bro, just die, bro. I'm so sorry. Oh no, bro. Oh my god. Oh my. So, nangatake siya. Huwag ka lang lalapit. Pag lumapit ako ng... Oh my god, that's a bad idea. I'm gonna die. So, hindi niya ako maabot. Oh! Wow! We did it, guys! Oh my god, we killed that thing. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero, napatay natin. Oh no. What the heck, dude? Epal yung zombie. Bro, just epal. Kung naka-armor pa, it's enchanted. Angas ah. Enchanted armor. You know what? Oh, what the? Na naman. What? Oh my god. There's a freaking... wala siya dito sa ano, but this zombie is like, what the bro, please stop. What is happening, bro? Let me kill this, ano, yung naka-enchanted, oh. Oo nga, walang armor eh. Kasi ikaw naka-enchanted. Armor ka pa. Uy, turn up niya. Thank you, thank you. Yes. Ako infinity. Yo, may chest plate tayo. Yes. Look at me. Yeah, bro. Bro. Who just... What? What? Bro. What the... Bro, what? What the... Bro, what? Oh, that guy. Oh no, run. I'm gonna die.
Hey bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Oh my structure. Mayroon bang ganun?
Get out of here.
So hindi na natin makukuha yung item natin. Kasi namamatay tayo. Pinapatay tayo ng structure. At biglang umulan so subscribe for more. Ow. 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 I'm gonna die. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Oh my god, that is perfect.